你刚刚给我戴的时候，我是怕你蹭到我粉呢。
Guys, check this out. And this is the Apple Vision Pro. I'm Sami.
Hello, 小华。
This is my sister, Flora. She doesn't speak much English, but anyway, let's just unbox it. By the way, this Apple Vision Pro was sent by my friend Rio from Hanover. He's the CEO. Special thanks to Rio. Yeah, he has lots of cool products. You can check it out. Like this. This is one of the products from Hanover. Definitely check it out. Beautiful. But anyway, today's is about Vision Pro.
激动啊
We're so excited that we forgot the knife. Okay, I thought this is gonna be like a heavier, bigger, but it's good. All right. Ooh. This is the box. Pure white. Typical Apple style. 256 gigs of storage. Vision Pro. Some information here.
开始。
Wow. Ooh. This is a heavy box. Has a bump here, so it's quite heavy. All right. Okay. 有点重哦，你试一下看看，是不是有点重？
是有点重，
是有点重哦。是不是 heavy？
为什么你们都对这个这么感冒呢？
你为什么对化妆品感兴趣？Okay, so we have two small boxes inside here, some paperwork, a cloth, and we also have other things. Okay, this is the light seal, the cushion. Just follow the arrow, take it out.
是这里替換的吗？
Yeah. We'll get to that later. One thicker, one thinner. This is the thicker one, I guess.
对，这个薄一些，这个厚一些。
And we also have the manual. 你看苹果在做工啊，连说明书都要比别人可以做得好一点。Let's check out what else. Got the strap. There's another strap. The dual loop band or something. 这是替换这个头带，它有两种头带。
哦。
Okay, finally, let's see here the external battery.
第一次摸哎，我觉得真的很好哎。
Amazing.
Really heavy.
很喜欢啊。
Super heavy. Yeah, that's the port connected to your Vision Pro.
这还有个 Type C。
And finally, the C2C cable and a 30 watts charger, and that's it. So let's just get to the Vision Pro. I just cannot wait. All right, there's a paper port here. We have to take it out. This is like a birthday cap. Yeah. All right. So this cover, take out. Oh, yo.
感觉里面做工也很精致啊。
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So delicate.
哇，
Looks weird. Super long face. Chill out. OK， 我把这个第一代给你。
啊
OK
这怎么戴？直接这样吗？
也就直接这样吧，就
直接这样吗？
OK， 哦。
Oh my.
哇，
Yeah. So， 然后紧不紧啊？
不，我感觉它会松。
Rover has a really small head, so we have to crank here to.
现在差不多。
Yeah. So to fit the head.
现在就
How
可
is
以。
it? 来，行，给大姐让我戴，我迫不及待。
这怎么摘啊？
All right, let me wear it.
戴起来还是很舒服的。
Okay, I waited this for years, not for years, just for a month. Okay.
迫不及待。
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit too heavy on your nose and cheek because all the weight just here, you know. Crank here. Okay, tight. How it looks on my face. 这看起来很荒诞吗？
很搞笑。
It's funny.
让摄影师
本人
让摄影师来戴。
人什么
Okay.
Oh yeah. 本来
迫不及待的看。
Okay, my cameraman.
哦，一激动。
Okay, all right.
Okay. Right now. Oh my god.
Cool, right? 可以吗？
I think
你说中文就好了。但是我感觉有点漏光。
有点漏光，现在感觉自己有点漏光。
哎呀，来继续，你老婆要不要带一下？
好。
哇，真的，我女孩子对这个真的不感冒
我能
啊！
告诉你吗？你刚刚给我戴的时候，我生怕你蹭到我粉了。
我去
Oh my god！
，Oh my goodness！ 啊
God damn it！
这就是女生和男生。
啊 ，OK。The cushion, the light seal, we can change because I can see when I wear it, I can see the light just shoot inside my eyes from the nose, so I can change it to another thicker light seal. Okay, this one should be better. And also, we can try this strap. Look at this. And then you adjust the size of it. The size. Let me just wear it. 以免蹭掉你的粉。
以免蹭掉我的粉。
OK。啊，这个就是只能上调。
对，这样好很多。
就上下调。
然后 ，so here you have to like this. Now let's just use it or put to use. Here we go. So first you have to. Okay, that's alright. I've seen the extreme durability test that have a really strong outer shell. So let's just connect it. Okay, that's it. And then put it on. Ask me to press and hold to a line. Why so much noise? 但是我能够看清外面，我能够看清你的，在这里。拿手机连接你也掰，然后我注视它就好了。我注视 ，OK， 连接上了。这个连接真的好牛逼啊 ！OK, now the tutorials.
To scroll, pinch your fingers together and gently flip.
Drink from me.